Welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got the Toyota GR86 Cup car. This is by Hotwheels, and if I'm not wrong, this is new for 2024. And forgive me, I don't know who Tony Brandware Tony B is. Might be a racer or somebody, but I don't know. So let's open up the casting and see how does it look. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. So it's a left and right. I thought it was a both, so might be right and right, but no, it's a left and right. First of all, the paint looks really good. You got the big Hotwheels sticker on the side, number 70, and something else is in there which I can't really read through the camera. So let's move to the front. Front, good details for a Mainline. You've got detailed headlamp, you got the Toyota badge, got the grille here, bumper seems slightly modified because it's a cup car. You've also got the vent in the hood, which I don't think the regular car does. Again, the Hot Wheels branding on the hood here. You can also see the windshield wipers. Coming to the driver's side, you can see it's slightly there are certain things which show that it's not a regular car, it's some slightly modified car, like this vents here. You got the number 70 again on the side, same Hot Wheels. These wheels, we have seen this on Hot Wheels before, and they do look good here, especially because they're finished in grey, not chrome, so they don't look bad. You can see the interior is done in white. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure the actual car doesn't have white interior. The actual GR86, it comes with black, but this one here is a white interior car. There are no windows here, it's open. Let's come to the back. You got the big spoiler, twin exhaust. You can see where the tail lamp is, but it's not detailed, and I'm not sure if it's a third brake light or something else. Also, you can see the roll cage here, so obviously it's modified for races and stuff. Shark fin antenna on top, and this is going to be third brake light, I guess, or the stop lamp. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I would say it's a nice casting. I had the older GT86 by Hot Wheels, and this one definitely looks better detailed than that one. I'll try to find it and maybe show them together in a video or something. So, should you get one? Absolutely yes. This is a good casting by Hot Wheels, especially for Mainline, so go get it. Well, these are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.